Today I will teach you a method that I use to teach other people on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Let's go!
So, the first thing you do is find a white centerpiece and hold that on top. Next, what you do is solve the white cross. After making a white cross, you have to solve for the white corners. Make sure that each faces have the same color: blue, orange, green, and red. Now, let's move to the second layer. At the top layer, find a color that is not yellow. After finishing the second layer, let's do the top cross. As you can see, we have 3 yellows straight to each other. Now we're going to turn the orange face into turn up right, top left, right down, top right, then turn it once. Now we have a fish tail. Let's find a yellow color next to its head and follow the move. Now, we already completed the yellow color. We will now align the middle color to the first and second layer's color. After that, we will do the 13 move. After that, we will do the last step. If you can see, the red one is already completed. Now, we have to face the orange area to solve it. Turn the orange area twice, top left, so that the orange color may line to the orange centerpiece. Turn up for the middle line, left up and right up. Now turn the top area into left thrice. 2, 3. Turn the orange area twice. And we're done.